Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be testing out another I Help Revolution palette. I am going to be testing out the Peanut Butter Cup because I just thought, how adorable is this palette? I'm sorry about my hand, I've had a huge like eczema flare up which I didn't even know I had. So anyway, but this is the Peanut Butter Cup palette. I'll put the price of it on the screen for you. I just thought this is so cute. I don't even like peanut butter. Maybe I should try it. I've never tried it. I probably would like it. But anyway, I have been testing out quite a few palettes recently. I genuinely don't know how long this has been out for. It's probably been out for a long time. It's not new, but it's new to me, so I thought we could try it. So I'm sorry if my eyes look pinky and ready, but I have been literally like filming so many videos today, so they might look a little bit weird. So the palette itself looks like this. You get 16 shades in here, which is incredible as always from Revolution. They also give you the shade names, which I just love. I love that about Revolution. So as you can see, these are the shades here. They are absolutely gorgeous. They are so peanut butter vibes. So I'm going to create a look, something peanut buttery, I don't know, and we shall see how we get on. So the shades that really stand out to me are, I just feel like I want to look like the Reese's Peanut. Snugs is the only one in here, my cat, and she's looking at me like, what are you laughing at? Sorry, I meant Reese's Pieces, not Reese's Penis. Okay, so I'm going to be looking at that sort of vibe. So the first few colours that really stand out to me are caramel. Oh my god, look at caramel, that is just gorgeous. And peanut butter, delish, salty, so many of them. So the first colour that I'm going to go in with, oh, I have no clean brushes. I've really got to start cleaning my brushes. This is just getting unacceptable. So the first colour I'm going to go in with is caramel. No, cashew, which is this white one. And I'm just going to pop that all over my eyes. My eyes are primed, so it's all good. It's all good. Right, so the first colour I'm going to go in with is this peanut butter here. Maybe I should do some swatches first. So let's see. So I'm going to swatch peanut butter, cup, milk chocolate, and chunk. So they're a few, they're not really crazy pigmented actually. Look at foil. These two are okay. And then this one. And then I'll show you some shimmers. So we have caramel, she's pretty, crunchy, pieces, and nutty. These are the shimmers, so very pretty. Them three look the same to me, but this one is definitely darker, but this one's pretty on the corner. On my little finger, so I think I'm going to go in with peanut butter, as we just said, and apply her right in the crease. Okay, so we can't really see it much, but you can see it a little bit. Okay, so, oh my god, this chair is so uncomfortable. I need a new office chair. Well, not even office chair, but a filming chair. This is just too uncomfortable. And yes, my hair is crazy. So I think I'm going to go in with the colour Smooth, which is this orangey colour here. Now I'm all low down. Ooh, I like her. That colour is very creamy and very easily blendable. Easy blended, easy blendable. So the Smooth I like. I do. I swear my cat must sit in here and watch me film just for the laughs. Then Okay, then I'm gonna go in with a different brush. Melissa, you should have this all prepared. So I think I'm gonna go in with like a lid colour now. So I want to go with caramel, you know, peanut butter vibes. Very nice colour, but so not. Why am I struggling today with my pigment? Is it me? Is it my brushes? Anyone else use this palette? It's pretty though. Very pretty, but very gappy. Like, there's not, can you see there's like, I've seen better. I feel like I'm literally having to use the end of my brush to get some colour. What is going on today? Oh my god. And then I feel like it then goes bitty. That word. Bitty. Comment if you relate and you understand what I'm on about. Oh dear. I'm not having a good time. I'm not having a good time with this palette. It's really not vibing. No. I'm not happy with it at all. I feel like what a disappointment already. I'm sorry, but this is just really funny watching me sneeze back. I've never seen myself sneeze. I'm just like, I'm salty. I'm feeling salty. Look at salty. Look at, can you see like how gappy it is? Oh, I'm not really happy with this, you know. Okay, let's just finish the look off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my makeup brush with some setting spray. And then I'm going to go in with that caramel. It's pretty. Wish I'll let you off. No, you know what? It's very nice. I really love the colours. I think the colours are very pretty. I just feel like the pigment isn't there. It's just not. I don't know if it's just me, but I am not getting on with this palette. So, let's finish off the look. So I'm going to use a different colour. I think I'm going to use... I'm going to use peanut butter just above. This palette didn't really do much for me, but anyway, I'm going to go and put an inner corner in my eye because there is no inner corner. There's none. So I don't really want to use salty. So I think I am going to use chocolate orange. No, not. Here I am. I'm going to use the chocolate orange palette and I'm just going to grab an inner corner. I'm going to grab this shimmer white here, like gold. Oh, that's better. Let's just compare. Okay, so this is the chocolate orange. Look at the pigment. This is a shimmer from the chocolate orange. Look at the pigment. Can you see what I'm saying? Look at that. I mean, that's incredible. So I don't know, but I feel like these were brought out at the same time. Am I wrong? I think this is newer because this is I Love Makeup. I remember as soon as I saw these, I got them all because when I first started my channel. And this is I Heart Revolution, so this must be newer. I don't know what's going on, but I just feel like that palette did not work for me. However, I do love the look, so I'm going to go away and put some mascara on and I'll be back. So you guys, I'm back. This is the final look. I just did some mascara. So it's a nice look. It's pretty. I love the colours. I just feel like one colour done it for me, which was that smooth because it was really creamy and easy to blend. But the shimmers are they're just not so good. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me with the colours that I picked. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed anyway. Please subscribe if you're new. I do tons and tons of makeup reviews, like any sort of, well, mostly Revolution, but I do like a lot of drugstore brands as well. So I hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe if you're new. Follow my Instagram. We are so close to 2k, and when we get to 2k I will be doing a Revolution giveaway. So I love you guys. Thank you for supporting me as always, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.